I'm Gina. Today I gotta make a chicken soup. It's something easy. This is the simple one we can make. But I gotta make, I want to show you. Now, pretty soon the weather is cold. You need hot, you need a little soup, it's good. So I have the chicken, I cut my chicken, I wash, and now I gotta put it for cook. All right, the chicken is here. I put the cold water here. Now I gotta put the chicken. And then we gotta wet that bowl here. Now I put the chicken. See? It's all the chicken. You can put all the chicken, you can put just the piece, wherever you want. But I prefer all the chicken. That's the chicken, see? Now I put a little salt in the beginning. When it's done, then we test again how much. You see, just I put a little bit now. You turn a little bit. You put a fiammel. And wet the bowl. You put the cover a little bit over, the cover like this. Now I checked the pot, and I saw they make the little thing on the top, you see? That's why I not put the vegetable, because I have to take it off the white stuff that come on the top. But when they start to boil, not let it boil. You let it boil a little bit, the thing you can see anymore. See, now you pick it up with something, you see? You take this off. See, you take this off. Yeah. You have to take all this white off. Now we can put the vegetable. All right, I have everything in here. And today I was lucky. I go in the yard, I find the fresh tomato. Look, I got the fresh tomato. I like when this. And when you don't have, we have the tomato in the jar. That's why we save for window. When we don't have in the yard, we have in the jar. And today I have the fresh one. I'm so happy. That's good. So I put the lily belly, this one. I put little onions. I gotta use this. I put little onions. I put the parsley. Everything will go here now, little one. One before, all after. I put the celery. Look, I put the celery. I put the carrot. I put how much I think. Somebody wants to put more or want to put less. Anyway, it's a vegetable. You see? That's a vegetable. And I put some potato. Some people, they like the potato, they put more. Some people, they don't like, they don't put. Okay? I put potato. And then, now I gotta make the tomato. The tomato, you know why? They make a color of the soup. When you put the tomato, you see a little color on the soup. See? That's fresh tomato. See? And this make a little color of the soup, and they taste better, and they taste good. This is a nice, healthy, especially somebody at my age, like in the winter time, you make the soup. It's very good. Sometimes a little sick, I want a little soup. This is This is good. This is good. Okay? Now they gotta cook. We gotta wait till they cook. And then I'll show you. You gotta follow me what I'm gonna do, little by little, little by little. Let me check ball, I think. The ball here, let me see. Yeah, look. This is it. The ball now, they gotta cook. They gotta cook. They start to smell. Now you can smell the stuff in here. It's nice, it's nice. Make the cover not just to tap like this. You make it they come a little area out. Make it they come a little area out. Okay? Now I put a little low. Now boil you can put a little low. I think it's almost an hour and a half, and I wanna check the meat. I wanna check. You know, that's the legs. When the meat come off, the bones come out of the meat, it's almost cooked. Let me see. I want to see inside. Make sure you check anyway. Make sure it's cooked. You can check it. You do whatever you want. See, they cook. Another little bit, they're done. Okay? Let it cook another little bit, and then we shut it off. Let me taste now. I want to put more salt, but I want to taste. Let me taste. Need more salt. I know I need more salt. Just up put it. Look at this. You know, that's why you put a little bit at a time. Some people, they eat salt. Some people, they eat less salt. You put, when you cook, you put how much you want. Okay? The time of the meat is cooked. Now it's time. Let me see. What do I gotta do? Let me see. See, that's the soup. All the vegetable, all the soup. Nice, eh? Now, I shut it off this. And then I come on the pot because I have to cook the pasta. All right, the olive oil. I have my pasta, my hands. I use this. Today I use this. You can use any one you like anyway. I put all the box because everybody wants the soup today. I put all the box, okay? And then I gotta put a little salt. Okay? And that's it. And now they got boil, they gotta cook. So now let me take the chicken out. All right, let me see. You can take everything, see? Take vegetable, take the meat. Yep. The chicken you can make it a lot of different way. Chicken roast, the chicken agachador, soup. You can make it a lot of different way. That's the potato. Somebody they smash it, they put it back in the soup. Some people they like, some people they don't like. And some people they eat like this. That's the meat. Okay, maybe the pasta is already. Now I gotta drink the water. Okay, I put it here. And then I come here. And then we put the soup. And we got the soup. The soup we make almost when somebody not feel well, when it's cold. Sometimes I don't know what I gotta cook. You make the soup. It's a fast food. And that's a look-alike. That's a look-alike. That's the soup. All right. Now, I put the soup here. I have a meat here. I have a soup here. Now, time to put in the dish, add the taste. The See? Now it's too hot anyway, so I put a little bit for me, a little bit for somebody, my friend. I gotta tell the story. I'm so excited. Yesterday we went to the store with my daughter. And when we come out the parking lot, some nice girl, they say, "Hi, you Gina?" I turn, I say, "Yeah, I'm Gina." So, and she was mad, she said, come. So I come next to her. I say, "I just to see you with you." And then, "I love to see you. Give me a hug, give me a hug." So I was so happy, Me too, I was happy to hear some surprise like this. She looked nice to me because she saw my video and she looked nice to me outside. She was happy, I was happy too. And now what I'm gonna do? I forgot the name, I don't know. I want to say I make a dish for me, a dish for my new friend. I don't know the name, but she's a nice girl with the blind hair. I have the picture. I saw. I hope I see again that girl. She was so nice. So when I used to put a little cheese like this. I used to put a little cheese. When you eat, you put a little cheese. Huh? And then you eat. See? One for me, one for new friend. All right. I'm so happy. Okay, let me see. It's so good. My stomach is hungry now. Especially the soup. I want to eat, see? Come on, everybody, come on, eat. The soup is already. It's nice. All right? Okay, I'll see you next time. I want to say thank you, everybody, for watching me. E bye, bye bye. Aveva tanta voglia di viaggiare, tu mi dicesti vai ed io partì. Son viva e disse allora una donna, a tuo amico mio pensaci tu. Prendami per mano, Dio mio, guidami nel mondo a modo tuo. La strada è tanta lunga e tanta dura, però con te nel cuore non ho paura. Io sono ancora giovane, oh Signore, mi sento tanto vecchio dentro il cuore. Le cose in cui credevo mi hanno deluso, io sento solo amore e libertà. Prendami per mano, Dio mio, guidami nel mondo a modo tuo. La strada è tanta lunga e tanta dura, però con te nel cuore non ho paura. Un giorno mi hai promesso un altro viaggio, il cuore mi diceva non partire. Quel giorno era triste e me ne andai, la strada per tornare non la trovo più. Prendami per mano, Dio mio, guidami nel mondo a modo tuo. La strada è tanta lunga e tanta dura, però con te nel cuore non ho paura. Per me è vicino ormai la grande sera, il sole muore verso l'orizzonte. Io sento che il mio cuore è più vicino, son pronto per un altro viaggio, amico mio, con te. Prendami per mano, Dio mio, guidami nel mondo a modo tuo. La strada è tanta lunga e tanta dura, però con te nel cuore non ho paura. Viva Gesù, viva Maria. Io really, quando sento le canzoni di chiesa, subito me le prende. I sing all the time to sing the song of the church. And at my age, I belong to the church. We do a lot of stuff. So I'm happy. I'd be happy at my age to do this stuff. When I was young, I work. Now I do different things.